In this video, we are solving a previous examination NEET question CBSE AIPMT 1994. The problem is like this. In a particular system, the unit of length, mass and time are given as 10 centimeter, 10 gram and 0.1 second. What is the unit of the force in this system will be equivalent to. So if I have to solve the problem, first of all, I shall write what do you mean by force. Force is defined as per the Newton's second law as mass into acceleration. That's not actual definition. In fact, if we have to go for the force actual definition, which may not be necessary here in this, but I want to tell you as force as rate of change of momentum. And momentum is product of mass and velocity. In a given scenario, generally mass is constant, so m can be written outside, m into dv by dt. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, from where you got force equal to mass into acceleration. So if I have to write dimensionally m, acceleration can be written as velocity by time. Velocity is lt power minus 1 by 1 time. So it will become mlt power minus 2. So it is given here in our case that the mass is given to you as 10 gram, but if I have to write it in a SI system, that is in Newton, 1 gram is 10 power minus 3 kilogram. If I have to convert into, then it becomes 10 power minus 2 kilogram. Length is given as 10 centimeter, but centimeter is not SI system. 1 centimeter equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. So this will become 10 into 10 power minus 2 becomes 10 power minus 1 meter. Time is given as 0.1 second is SI system itself. I need not make any conversion. Now I can write new force in this case with these parameters, the different parameters as per the given problem as force as mlt power minus 2. But in the place of mass, I am supposed to write as per the given data 10 power minus 2 kilogram. In the place of length, I have to write 10 power minus 1 meter. In the place of time, I have to write 0.1 second. So it becomes, what will be its value becomes 10 power minus 2 and 10 power minus 1 becomes 10 power minus 3 and 0.1 is 10 power minus 1. Everything else is second itself. So everything is well, but here I have missed one point. This is t power minus 2. So 0.1 second whole power of minus 2 has to be written. Then only I will get a correct value. So I need to correct this. 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 1 is 10 power minus 3. And this is 10 power minus 1 whole power of minus 2. Right? So it becomes 10 power minus 2 and minus 1 is 10 power minus 3. That's already I have written. This is 10 power minus 1 whole power of minus 2 becomes 10 power plus 2. And everything else, kilogram, meter and second power minus 2 is called Newton in SI system. So 10 power minus 3 and 10 power plus 2 is 10 power minus 1 Newton. That is 0.1 Newton. So the answer is A, 0.1 Newton. So while I am doing it, I missed one small point that it is t power minus 2. Be careful, t power minus 2 is there. T is 0.1 second, power of minus 2 has to be written. Minus 1 and minus 2. Minus into minus becomes plus. It becomes 10 power plus 2. Minus 2 and minus 1 becomes minus 3. Minus 3 and plus 2 is minus 1. That is 0.1 Newton. So the answer for the problem is 0.1 Newton. Option A is correct. That is such a simple problem to solve. That's it. Thank you for watching. Right.